Good morning, students. So yesterday class we have seen that types of respiratory organs in different organisms. So we have seen in the we have seen in cockroaches how the respiration occurs through trachea. Trachea is divided into small tubules called tracheoles. These tracheoles enter into the cells and supply the oxygen. When coming to the frog, how does the frog respire? Frog respires through three types. One is when it is in the water, it respires through its skin. And when it is on the land, it respires through lungs. And one more type of respiration is also seen in frogs, that is called as buccopharyngeal respiration. Buccopharyngeal respiration. Just remember the word. Okay, we need not to describe it. Just remember the word. Okay, next, how does the fish respire? Fish respires through gills. We have seen the mechanism of respiration. When fish opens its mouth, so what happens? The water enters into the mouth. So it opens its lower jaw and the water enters into the fish mouth. When it is closing the lower jaw with some pressure, the floor of the oral cavity is raised up so that the water is pushed to the pharynx. Nearby pharynx, what is present? Gills are present. Gills are highly supplied with blood capillaries. So now water reaches the gills and whatever the dissolved oxygen present in the water is absorbed through the capillaries present in the gills. So fish respires through gills. Gills are also called as branchia. So that's why in fish the respiration is called as branchial respiration. Okay. Now we'll see the flow chart. Okay. So types of respiration. How many types of respiration we see in different organisms? Type of respiratory organs present in them and examples. So first, starting with simple diffusion. So we have discussed simple diffusion method occurs in very small organisms, that is very low organisms, unicellular or very simple organism. So they don't have special respiratory organs. So no special respiratory organs. RO is nothing but respiratory organs. No special respiratory organs. It occurs directly through the body surface. Examples are amoeba. Amoeba is an unicellular. Even the paramecium, the respiration occurs through simple diffusion. And in simple multicellular organisms like Hydra and Planaria, the respiration occurs through body surface. The respiration occurs through body surface. Now coming to the next. So annelids. Okay, we'll discuss that afterwards. Tracheal respiration. Tracheal respiration is seen in which form? In arthropods. That is in all the insects we see tracheal respiration. Okay. So that is done through the respiratory organ is trachea. The respiratory organ is trachea. So it is seen in cockroaches, grasshoppers and every insect. Okay. Next, cutaneous. Whenever you come with the word cutaneous, just remember cutaneous means skin. So anywhere if you are coming with the word cutaneous, it means skin. Okay. Cutaneous respiration. Cutaneous respiration means it is occurring through skin. So exchange of gases takes place through skin. It is seen in earthworm, leech, frog. So when the frog is in water, then the respiration is occurring through cutaneous respiration, through skin, mainly at the tadpoles. Okay. So next is branchial or gill respiration, which occurs through gills or branchi. It is seen in aquatic animals like fish and tadpole. Okay. So tadpole is the larva of the frog which lives in the water. So at the tadpole stage, the tadpole breathes. What are the respiratory organs of tadpole? That is gills. So In tadpole stage, the breathing takes gases exchange takes place through gills. Okay. Next, pulmonary. Whenever you come with the word pulmonary, just remember it is lungs. Wherever you come with the word pulmonary, pulmonologist, pulmonary diseases. So whenever you come with the word pulmonary, it is nothing but lungs. So lungs doctor is called as pulmonologist. Pulmonary diseases. Corona is a pulmonary disease. It is affecting lungs. So it is called as pulmonary disease. Whenever you come with the word pulmonary, it means lungs. Okay, it means lungs. Clear? So the respiratory organs in pulmonary respiration is lungs. So what are the organs which takes respiration through lungs? Reptiles, aves, mammals, crocodiles, dolphins. Dolphins, though they are though they look like fishes, but they are mammals. Okay, dolphins are mammals. Even crocodiles also respire through lungs. Reptiles, aves is nothing but birds. Mammals, all mammals you know, which give directly birth to the young ones. So all these respires through pulmonary respiration. So the questions, 1 mark questions. Pulmonary respiration is seen in which organs? Which organisms? Reptiles, aves, mammals, dolphins, crocodiles. Or they will ask reverse. In aves, which type of respiration is seen? Pulmonary respiration. Okay. So you need to remember this and this also, very important. Okay. So in tadpole, what type of respiration occurs? Cutaneous respiration. Branchial respiration. In tadpoles, branchial respiration. In frogs, cutaneous respiration as well as pulmonary respirations. Okay. In frog, don't forget, you have cutaneous respiration and pulmonary respiration. Even one more respiration is buccopharyngeal respiration. Okay, clear? Thank you.